to find an aesthetic. I am an aesthetic. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out here right now who's going into Pinterest trying to type up all these adjectives to describe me.
Making the strawberry shortcake parfait is pretty easy. All you need are a few supplies. You're going to need some dessert shells, and you typically find them in the cooler near the strawberries, or you can use Twinkies instead. You're also going to need some strawberry fruit glaze, or you can use some canned pie filling, but it's preferable that you use fresh strawberries. In addition to the strawberries, you're going to get some Greek vanilla yogurt. Greek is very important because it's thicker than the other types, so this is the kind you need, and you're going to need some whipped cream.